So this is a dishwasher, right? This dishwasher been in our home for 6 years. So it may have been built 7 or 8 years ago. It's 2024. So this dishwasher maybe was built in 2018, 19, right? And then this dishwasher was built in 1970, and it's been working since 1976, 77. And this dishwasher, it works. It never gets used. There's no need for me to use this dishwasher. That's been in our home, like I said, for about 6 years. It's never been used, right? But this dishwasher that I've had, or that's been around, it's been around since about 1970, but it's been in use since about 1977. This dishwasher still works relatively well. Which dishwasher do you think I should always use? This mechanical or this autonomous? This is the better dishwasher. This is the dishwasher. Why should I use this? And I got this. Ooh, y'all about to slay my ass. Happy birthday, dishwasher. Principal Zeros TV, y'all. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notifications. We just clowning. But yeah, we don't even use this, do we, baby? No, because we go by dishes. We go cook, we go by dishes. But we never use this dishwasher. In the 6 years it's been in our house, we've never used it. Literally, it's been in here 6 years. And we've never used this dishwasher. And yeah, let's just hope we don't have to. But that's how we get down because, again, this dishwasher right here, the pretty one, smile dishwasher. I don't gotta use no dishwasher. Peace.